How to hide friends on Snapchat? Let's get started. Launch your Snapchat app. Your camera will open up. Now head towards the chat section. Click on this icon given at the bottom left. With that, you will land to the chat section. Now head towards the Snapchat friend that you want to hide. All you have to do is long press on the conversation. Different options will appear. Click on the option Chat and Notification Settings. Now click on this option of Clear from Chat Feed. Are you sure you want to clear this conversation? Click on Clear. With that, the person will be removed from the chat section. You can just scroll and check. You won't find the person in this chat section. Now if you send the snap or text to that person, it will again appear in the chat section. For that, you will need to click on the search icon. Search for the name of the person and then send the text. It will appear in this page. Likewise, another thing you can do is long press on the conversation. Now click on this option Manage Friendship. Click on the option of Edit Name. By editing name, you can hide this friend. You can change the name of the person. You can clear the name. Now type a new name for this person. Click on Save. With that, the name will be updated for this person. So these are the ways to hide friends on Snapchat. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.